The small step. Alex was a young man who had a big dream. He wanted to become a successful English teacher. However, there was one problem. His English was not very good. Every day, Alex watched videos of fluent speakers. He admired them and wished he could speak like them. But whenever he tried to practice, he made mistakes. Because of this, he often felt discouraged. One evening, Alex met an old teacher in a park. The teacher noticed that Alex looked worried. "What is wrong?" the teacher asked. Alex replied, "I want to improve my English, but I am not making progress. I think I will never reach my goal." The teacher smiled and pointed to a large tree nearby. "Do you see that tree?" he asked. "Yes," Alex answered. That tree was once a small seed. It did not become big in one day. Every day it grew a little. The growth was slow, but it never stopped. Alex listened carefully. The teacher continued, "Success is the same. You do not need to become perfect tomorrow. You only need to take one small step every day." These words stayed in Alex's mind. The next morning, he decided to change his approach. Instead of studying for many hours and feeling frustrated, he practiced English for just 30 minutes every day. He learned 5 new words, read one short article, and spoke for a few minutes. At first, the improvement was difficult to notice, but after a month, he understood more English videos. After 3 months, he could hold simple conversations. After a year, he was speaking confidently. One day, Alex remembered the teacher and the tree. He realized that success had not come from one big action. It had come from hundreds of small steps. Years later, Alex became an English teacher. His students often asked him how he became successful. He always gave the same answer: "Don't wait for a perfect moment. Don't be afraid of small beginnings. Take one step today, then another tomorrow." Small steps can lead to big dreams. And every time he said those words, he remembered the tree that started as a tiny seed.